Hi guys, it's Ethan from Ethan Edward. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on an iPhone. So you open the settings, you go down to sound and haptics, then you scroll down because this is what mine is now. I don't know why it's being so quiet. Then there's the button that says ring phone. I don't know why it's being so quiet. There's that. There's that. I hate that one. There's a lot of these. And then there's classic. There's a lot of them. The one I like best is probably either that, Rapids. Yeah. No, it's Ripples, or Opening, or whatever. It was called Circuit. Maybe Apex. Where's Circuit at? How long is it? Or was that other one I like? We'll do that. Then there's text tone, which I have on. Why is it not doing any noise? I don't know. But it sounds like something. I don't know why it's not doing anything. I'm just gonna do it this one and see what that sounds like someday. These are some more ones you can pick from. There's a lot of stuff. That's probably it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications, click all, share this video with anyone you want. And I am pre-recording this on Friday night, but I'm gonna upload it on Saturday, so See you in the next video.